You son of a beaver!
He like us being angry at us right now.
Why did you wear him? I mean, wear his hat.
He
Why?
makes us really angry.
Huh? I hate you.
No, no, no!
Huh?
He's angry at me.
So?
The magic finger.
No.
I just love bothering you.
So,
Okay. Ah! Stop it! With the hitting! I'm sorry. Um, a finger! Let's
okay.
I'm just getting hit right now. Yeah.
Okay. I have to go now.
I have to go now.
Okay, bye. We have to go bye.
What'd she say?
She said because Eliana, that's her name. She likes Ethan, and he let me use his hat for the powwow Indian thing, and then so she's at the Harvest Festival, and she asked Josh
Your
if
crush?
yes. Oh shit! In national television. Okay, she asked him if she could borrow his hat for revenge.
Make a video out of it.
Eliana, if you're watching this, or if anyone is watching this, don't watch it. Let's just subscribe.
This is my video.
No, it's gonna go in my account.
Both of our accounts.
You can use that one.
Saved by Kitty Cat or Crazy Candy Lover 13. And by the way, Dustin, if you're watching this, you shall never get my password. That's right. No hacking, please.